Sydney Sweeney's captivating curly hair tutorial and the sunflower blonde hair trend. Sydney Sweeney, an epitome of ever-evolving beauty. The glamorous actress, known for her role in Euphoria, never fails to stun us with her innovative styles every time she steps onto the red carpet or into a photo shoot. What's her latest move, you ask? Well, she's now rocking a daringly bold hairstyle that promises to be this summer's signature look. Getting to know the look, Sydney recently unveiled her stunning new look on Instagram, where her hair, crafted by the talented hairstylist Glim Coco, cascaded in ultra-luxurious, long curls. Think Mermaid waves meets the glam vibes of the 70s. Then, gathered right pink washed over her locks, giving her blonde hair an endearing 70s glamour touch. Accented by baby pink glam, suede and poppy pastel blush and matching matte lipstick. The American starlet paired her dramatic hair and wake-up with a sheer, floral embroidered slip dress, tapping into the dreamy Y2K trend. The plunging neckline and floaty fabric elevated the romantic vibe, perfectly complementing her whimsical curls. This is also the longest her golden blonde locks have ever been. The Limage ambassador's tresses were also lighter and leaned towards the popular sunflower blonde haze. Frankly speaking, it's tantalizingly fresh and daringly different. It's perfect for adding radiance, even when the weather's gray. How to get Sydney Sweeney's mermaid curls and wicked sunflower blonde look. Glyn and Melissa Hernandez gathered themselves and created this last plumage blonde hairstyle, showcasing the blonde highlights in its glorious history. The type of new trends that have a more natural, more sun-kissed feel, ideal for complementing makeup and hair. For the use of summer splurges, this is a hairstyle everyone wouldn't want to skip. But here's where it gets controversial. Boldly highlight anything in this article that is most divisive. Sydney Sweeney's foray into a mermaid curl look could make the opposing point. Why not give it a try? Something new for summer, absolutely free.